In the world of affiliate marketing, success is not just about generating clicks and conversions, it's also about building trust and fostering relationships with your audience, partners, and affiliates. Trust is essential for the success of any marketing strategy. Without it, even the most expertly designed campaigns can struggle to resonate. When you establish trust, you create a loyal audience base that is more likely to engage with your content, click on your affiliate links, and make purchases. Moreover, strong relationships with your affiliates and partners can lead to long-term collaborations, increased earnings, and a more sustainable business. Step 1. Be transparent with your audience. Being transparent is crucial for cultivating trust with your audience. In affiliate marketing, it's important to be open and honest about your intentions, particularly when it comes to promoting products or services. Your audience needs to know that you're recommending products because they genuinely add value, not just because you'll earn a commission. When you are transparent about your affiliate relationships, your audience is more likely to trust your recommendations and continue engaging with your content. Disclose affiliate relationships clearly. Always disclose your affiliate relationships in a clear and straightforward manner. Let your audience know when you're using affiliate links and explain that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase. This transparency builds credibility and fosters trust. Be honest about product limitations. If a product you're promoting has limitations or drawbacks, don't shy away from mentioning them. Being honest about the pros and cons of a product shows that you prioritize your audience's needs over your potential earnings, which can strengthen trust. Share genuine reviews and testimonials. Only promote products that you've personally used or thoroughly researched. Share reviews and testimonials highlighting your real experiences with the products. Authenticity resonates with audiences and can significantly increase their trust in your recommendations. Avoid overhyping products. Steer clear of making exaggerated claims about the products you promote. Overhyping can lead to disappointment and erode trust if the product doesn't live up to expectations. Instead, focus on providing balanced, realistic descriptions of what the product can offer. Step 2. Provide consistent value to your audience. Building a loyal audience base requires more than just promoting products. You need to consistently provide value through your content. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, your content should always aim to educate, entertain, or solve problems for your audience. When you consistently deliver valuable content, your audience will view you as a trusted source of information, which in turn makes them more likely to engage with your affiliate links. This step is about establishing yourself as an authority in your niche, ensuring that your audience comes to you not just for product recommendations, but for advice, insights, and expertise. Create high-quality, informative content. Focus on producing content that is informative, well-researched, and relevant to your audience's interests. High-quality content positions you as an authority in your niche and keeps your audience coming back for more. Address audience pain points. Identify the common challenges and pain points your audience faces, and create content that provides solutions. By addressing their needs directly, you demonstrate that you understand their concerns and are here to help, which strengthens your relationship with them. Offer free resources and tools. Consider providing free resources such as ebooks, checklists, or tools that your audience can use to solve their problems or achieve their goals. Offering valuable freebies can build goodwill and increase your audience's trust in your brand. Engage with your audience regularly. Connect with your audience by encouraging comments, participating in social media discussions, and sending out email newsletters. Responding to questions and feedback shows that you value their input and are invested in their success, which fosters a deeper connection. Step 3. Build strong relationships with affiliates and partners. The relationships you build with your affiliates and partners are just as important as those you cultivate with your audience. Strong relationships with affiliates and partners can lead to better collaboration, more lucrative deals, and long-term success. This step involves selecting the right affiliates, maintaining open communication, and offering support and incentives to ensure a mutually beneficial relationship. By building strong partnerships, you can create a network of trusted affiliates who are motivated to help you achieve your goals, leading to a more successful and sustainable affiliate marketing business. Choose affiliates who align with your brand. Select affiliates who share your values and whose audience aligns with your target market. A good match ensures that the partnership is beneficial for both parties and that the content created is relevant and valuable to your audience. Maintain open and regular communication. Keep the lines of communication open with your affiliates and partners. Regular check-ins, updates, and feedback sessions help to strengthen the relationship and ensure that everyone is on the same page, leading to more effective collaboration. Provide affiliates with the resources they need. Equip your affiliates with the tools and resources they need to succeed, such as marketing materials, training, and analytics. Providing support helps your affiliates perform better, which in turn benefits your overall business. Offer incentives for top performers. Motivate your affiliates by offering incentives such as bonuses, higher commissions, or exclusive deals for top performers. These incentives encourage affiliates to continue driving results and contribute to a stronger, more productive partnership. Step 4. Cultivate a strong online presence. A strong online presence is essential for building trust and credibility in affiliate marketing. Your online presence is often the first impression potential customers and partners will have of your brand. By cultivating a professional, consistent, and engaging online presence, you can establish yourself as a reliable and trustworthy figure in your niche. This step involves optimizing your website, maintaining active social media profiles, and engaging with your audience across various platforms. A well-managed online presence not only attracts more visitors, but also helps to convert them into loyal customers and partners. Optimize your website for trustworthiness. Ensure your website is professional, easy to navigate, and free of errors. Include an about page, contact information, and customer testimonials to build credibility. A trustworthy website makes visitors feel secure, increasing their likelihood of engaging with your content and making purchases. Maintain active and consistent social media profiles. Regularly update your social media profiles with relevant content, and engage with your followers. Consistency in posting and interaction helps build a loyal community and enhances your brand's credibility. Use professional branding across platforms. Ensure that your branding is consistent across all platforms, including your website, social media, and email newsletters. Consistent branding reinforces your identity and helps to build recognition and trust with your audience. Engage in online communities and forums. Join and contribute to online platforms and forums that focus on your particular niche. Offering advice, answering questions, and sharing insights in these spaces can help establish you as an authority and build trust with potential customers and partners. Step 5. Offer excellent customer support. Providing excellent customer support is a crucial component of building trust and maintaining strong relationships in affiliate marketing. Even though you may not be directly selling products, the way you support your audience can significantly impact their perception of your brand. When your audience knows that they can rely on you for help and guidance, they are more likely to trust your recommendations and continue engaging with your content. This step involves being responsive, offering clear and helpful information, and going above and beyond to assist your audience, ensuring that their experience with your brand is always positive. Respond promptly to inquiries. Aim to respond to audience inquiries as quickly as possible, whether they come through email, social media, or comments on your content. Prompt responses show that you value your audience's time and concerns. Provide clear and helpful information. When addressing questions or concerns, provide detailed and clear information. Avoid generic responses and instead, tailor your answers to the specific needs of the individual. Clear communication helps to resolve issues more effectively and builds trust with your audience. Go the extra mile to assist. Don't hesitate to go above and beyond to help your audience, whether it's by providing additional resources, following up on inquiries, or offering personalized advice. Going the extra mile demonstrates your commitment to their satisfaction and strengthens your relationship. Encourage feedback and act on it. Invite your audience to provide feedback on your content, products, or services, and take their suggestions seriously. Acting on feedback shows that you care about your audience's experience and are committed to continuous improvement. Step 6. Foster a community around your brand. Building a community around your brand is a powerful way to cultivate trust and deepen relationships with your audience. A community provides a space where your audience can connect with you and with each other, share their experiences, and engage in discussions about topics relevant to your niche. When you foster a strong, engaged community, you create a loyal base of supporters who are more likely to trust your recommendations, participate in your promotions, and advocate for your brand. This step involves creating spaces for interaction, encouraging participation, and regularly engaging with your community members to strengthen the bond between them and your brand. Create a dedicated online space for your community. Consider creating a Facebook group, forum, or other online space where your audience can interact with you and each other. A dedicated space fosters a sense of belonging and encourages ongoing engagement. Encourage user-generated content and discussions. Invite your community members to share their own content, experiences, and opinions. User-generated content and discussions increase engagement and make the community more dynamic and valuable for all members. Host regular community events or challenges. Organize events, challenges, or Q&A sessions to keep your community engaged and active. Regular events create excitement and give your audience reasons to keep coming back to your community. Show appreciation for your community members. Recognize and appreciate the contributions of your community members. Highlight their achievements, feature their content, or offer special rewards to show that you value their involvement. Appreciation fosters loyalty and strengthens relationships within the community. Building trust and relationships in affiliate marketing is essential for long-term success. By being transparent with your audience, providing consistent value, and nurturing strong relationships with affiliates and partners, you create a solid foundation for your marketing efforts. Cultivating a strong online presence, offering excellent customer support, and fostering a community around your brand further enhance your ability to build lasting connections and trust. These strategies not only improve your affiliate marketing performance, but also contribute to a more sustainable and profitable business. As you implement these steps, remember that trust and relationships are built over time through consistent effort and genuine interactions, leading to lasting success in the affiliate marketing industry.